thing away from here. Take it! Ah! Take it away from here. Are you mad?
How did they do for our village? I don't know. So no place you can come there.
You are very stupid.
Can you imagine? Where did my father even brought all these things from? Where? Salt and water juice.
I am not taking it anymore. It got me here. And don't you dare beg me. Don't you dare ask me to stop. Because I am not going to stop this time around.
And what is it?
What is not it? What is not it? Do you know the kind of embarrassment I got this afternoon?
What happened?
What did not happen? What? I asked Uchechi to dish out food so that Chief Ugo can join me on the dining table. And she was just looking at me.
Why?